Finish the statement. True social justice is possible when.
Woo, true social justice is possible when we work in spite of fear, in spite of doubt. There's another Audre Lorde quote about the power of, what does she say? About that we are fearful of our own power, that once we can accept that we are powerful, right? And we move in that space, that we can make things happen. I think that's true social justice. Like, I know that I am powerful, right? And I'm going to use it to bring about justice for all folks.
My approach to social justice is shaped by.
Grace, that everybody is not chastity, that everybody is at a different point in their journey, and that we have to make space for that, that there is an urgency to this, but that uh, that grace, I have to extend that. So, yeah.
Hmm. Understanding our social justice origin stories is important because.
What you said early on resonates with me. There's so many pioneers and heroes who sacrificed themselves. They can become inaccessible to us. And you talked about humanizing these folks, that they can become dehumanized. And that really landed with me. Um, and so I think, yes, what are the stories? What are these pivotal moments in folks' lives? How do other people, that resonated with me. I heard her
Mhm.
say that, and that, you know what I'm saying? I think that's extremely important. That's vitally important. That without it, Rolando, I think there can be some, I don't know, I guess there's some, maybe people become disillusioned, you
Yeah.
know, and yeah, and just hearing regular old people say, "Hey, this is how I got here. I'm still learning. There's so
Mhm.
much to learn. I'll never stop learning, and I'm okay with that. There's not closure. I won't walk away with answers all the time. I'm gonna come away with a lot more questions sometimes, but that's okay. I'm not feeling comfortable in this moment. Something is making me uncomfortable. Don't shy away from that. Okay, what is that thing?
Mm.
What is that discomfort that I'm feeling? Let me interrogate that. What do I need to learn in this moment? But we don't hear those conversations about these pioneers and these heroes, the tension, what they grapple with, some of the imperfect decisions they might have made. We don't get that part of it. And again, they can be made to seem inaccessible. So I think that this is really important for what you said about really humanizing folks and helping people to not be disillusioned that you do have power to bring about change and to bring about justice, that you are agentic, right? And if I'm hearing what other folks down the street have done,
Yeah.
then I might be, oh, I might be all right. I might be doing this thing.
Yeah, there's so much in what you said that that resonated again, even hearing you say it. But I'm thinking about that word, Sankofa. Go back and get that history. We were talking before the recording about one of the underlying things here too. Is hopeful that for folks out there who are tired, might be fatigued right now. So hey, sometimes we forget, and we sometimes we do get tired, and that's okay. And then sometimes we also have to be reminded, and listening to another, all the things you shared can be restorative too. So thank you so much for sharing that.